You're watching Wake Up Today.
Well, the Hawai'i State Bar Association Young Lawyers Division's observing Law Week, and volunteer attorneys will be covering different legal topics every day. Today, the topic is family law as it relates to divorce and child custody. And joining us this morning is Shannon Hackett, managing partner of Coates, Fry and Hackett. Good morning, Shannon.
Good morning.
All right. Had your cup of coffee?
Yes, I did.
Okay, you're ready. So, family law. So, I know probably you're in the field, so you understand it, but to the average person, what is family law?
Family law surrounds us every day. So you're talking about divorce, adoptions, guardianships. It just really affects everyone every day, family and friends.
Okay, so that kind of breaks it down into layman terms. Now, there may be some misconceptions about divorce and child custody. Could you explain that?
Yeah, so some common misconceptions I might get in divorce, and specifically property division, are going to be, oh, well, I worked during the entire marriage. The other party didn't work at all, so I should get to keep my retirement. Or we don't have any joint assets, so nothing needs to be split. So that's kind of the common misconceptions I have in terms of property division. As far as custody misconceptions, I do get a lot of, I was the primary caregiver during the marriage, so after the divorce, I should have sole legal, sole physical. Which may be true, but again, it's gonna come down to what's in the best interest of the child.
Yeah, and those misconceptions, obviously, you will clear it up for the clients.
Yes, that's the idea. A good family law attorney should clear that up.
Clear
yes.
that up. Okay, so what if somebody finds himself in a divorce or a child custody issue? What should be their first step?
Don't panic, but after that, definitely seeking the advice of a good family law attorney. I think the best way is going to be personal recommendations from family members or friends, but if not, there's other resources out there. So the Hawai'i State Bar Association's lawyer referral service is one service that can give parties names of family law attorneys. Another source, good old-fashioned Google if it comes down to it. Just do your due diligence, do your research, and just make sure there's, more than one source that you're looking at.
Look for the 5-star reviews?
Yeah, even that too is kind of subjective, so I don't know, but yes.
Okay, so especially we live here in the island, so word of mouth is always good.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, my partner always talks about coconut wireless. Well, now with technology, it's kind of like a high-speed coconut wireless. It's way more advanced, but yes, coconut wireless is ideal.
Coconut wireless. So, and then as we get down to the questions, is there any big changes coming down the pipeline?
Family law in general doesn't really have anything exciting all the time, and there's not too many changes, but what has kind of excited us is the enactment of the Parentage Act. So rather than calling it paternity, we're looking at calling it the Parentage Act, and it kind of gets rid of the gender defined roles and looking at more of a gender neutral type of statute and the language therein. And then also the statute recognizes families through assisted reproduction and surrogacy.
All right, Shannon Hackett, thank you so much for joining us this morning for Law Week.
You're very welcome. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. All right, so Shannon Hackett, of course, from Coates, Fry and Hackett, and it is Law Week, so tomorrow we'll be back. Coming up next, a quick check on your morning traffic conditions, and just ahead, Brittany will get that full forecast for the Tuesday right here when Wake Up Today returns.